Welcome to my hotel review on the Hotel Midcity Myeongdong in Seoul. This is a modern mid-range hotel. It has really close proximity to major stations, around 45 minutes to different stations like, for example, City Hall. So super convenient. It's also right next to Myeongdong's really famous shopping street. So really awesome place to be in. But let's get straight into the video. I'm going to go through the room tour as well as amenities right now.
Midcity Myeongdong. I'm gonna turn off. We're here at Hotel City Myeongdong. This is a room tour of the Deluxe Twin. So here we go. So we have a little straight out the bat, no closet, just some place you can stick your things in, jackets and stuff. We have kettles, coffee, tea, Colombian, American. I think this is chamomile tea. What else do we got here? They're all chamomile teas apparently. Bee opener, cups, a safe, and some complimentary water. And what looks like a jug. We got some slippers here. And so this room technically can sleep 3 people with a twin and a single, so I guess if you have a kid. However, we're just using it as a double basically, and basically a day bed for the single. So here we have the bathroom. Pretty sizable shower, you can't really see it here, but let's say I'm gonna walk here. So basically you can fit almost 2 people directly here. If there was another shower here, then you could almost have 2 people. But yeah, there's a mirror here as you can see here. We got some shower gel, conditioner, and some shampoo. Oldish looking shower head, but you know what, sort of does the job. This looks like it doesn't close, so you might get a bit of, wait, does this close like this? Oh, there you go. So this door closes like that. So the outside door actually transfers as a door for your showering. So that's kind of cool, though that might drip once you're done. But anyway, let's ignore that. We have a normal bidet, or I'm sorry, another normal bassinet, toilet seat, or whatever, a toilet. And oh, hey look, there is a bidet here. Didn't realize. So most Korean places don't have this. This is a very Japanese thing, so that's actually really cool that they have this in this hotel, which is great. I love having a little bidet there. We have some cups, we have a sink, a bin, an extra roll of toilet paper, some towels, which is great. So yeah, nice looking bathroom, very clean and very spiffy looking. So here we have the 2 beds, as you can see already. I have a little phone here if you want to do room service. I love the fact that you can just press this and the lights turn off. As you can see in the background, the lights just turned off. You turn it back on, and they're back on again. So that's great. Big looking TV. We got here, I think it looks like the aircon, which is a bit of a weird spot to put normally, I guess, your aircon thing, but it is what it is. Some decent amount of space here. You can definitely roll your luggage around. We can see my luggage, medium-sized luggage, being a very kind of fits very perfectly there. I can open it here. So much space here. There's actually a ton of space. A little station here for whatever you want. Opening stuff, makeup, doing some work. And then a little couch area if you just want to chill here. You can see a ton of blade in my bag. And this is interesting, a descending lifeline. So basically, if something bad happens, I guess you can start, for all the rock climbers out there, it's your time to shine, basically. Grapple out the window. I guess good luck to that. Hopefully we don't have to do that, but an alternative if needed. So a pretty sizable room, pretty nice, very modern looking, very clean. I feel very comfortable just walking with my socks. And yes, I have 2 different pair of socks on in this room. So yeah, so far the room is looking good. So yeah, we'll go check out some of the other amenities. But either way, pretty good room. I thought we only had this, but there's a waterfall shower head, so that's pretty good. They also have universal adapters here, so you don't have to bring your own adapter, although I would still bring your own adapter just in case, obviously. But as you can see here, universal adapters.
Alright, so let's go over some amenities. So this place does have a dryer as well as laundry machine. You can buy the fabric softener as well as washing powder as well. Pretty cheap. This is a really cheap alternative if you don't want to use the hotel laundry service, which can be pretty expensive. This place also has a pretty stacked gym. It's got a lot of dumbbells as well as some cycling machines and treadmills. It also has a machine in the back and a few other things. Pretty good for most standards because a lot of hotel gyms are pretty crap, to be honest. So honestly, pretty decent gym. And that is it. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more hotel/videos around Asia, and I'll see you in the next one.